ready to supercharge your projects with the cutting-edge capabilities of the DeepSeek R1 API. The first step to harnessing the power of DeepSeek R1 is to navigate over to the official DeepSeek AI website. Look for sections clearly labeled API, Developers, or a similar gateway to their developer resources. Once you've found the API access area, you'll likely need to create an account. This usually involves a straightforward registration process, providing your email address, creating a secure password, and potentially verifying your email through a confirmation link sent to your inbox. After registration, it's time to explore the subscription plans. DeepSeek R1, like many powerful APIs, will offer different tiers based on usage, features, and support levels. Take your time to examine these options. Carefully look for any information regarding free tiers or trial periods, which can be an excellent way to test the waters before committing. Depending on the plan you choose, you might need to provide payment information once your subscription is confirmed, or if you're accessing a free tier, you'll typically be presented with your unique API key. This API key is your essential credential. Treat it securely, as it grants access to the DeepSeek R1 model for your applications and workflows. Now you're ready to integrate this advanced AI into your projects. From creating sophisticated content to powering complex data analysis,